This is the Avaya D160 wireless handset. The D160 features top-of-the-line technology for wireless communication. With the addition of repeaters, it can cover larger areas without adding the extra cost of wiring. It features 8 programmable keys, a 2 by 16 character display, and 16 hours of talk time. The D160 requires a D100 base station for registration. Included with the Avaya D160 is the charging station and cradle, power cord, and battery. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.